will score a goal! I will stop the ball! Almost, try again! I got it! Yay! Be careful, Leo. Don't worry, I am good. Oh no, my leg hurts! I will call Mom!
Are you okay?
My leg is hurting.
What happened?
Leo got hurt.
Leo!
In the living room.
I feel scared.
I am with you. You will be fine.
Really, Doctor?
Yes, your leg is healing well.
Thank you.
Stay strong.
I will try.
He needs rest. Thank you, Doctor.
I missed you. Thank you, sister.
Rest today.
Okay, Mom. I made this for you. It is beautiful.
Slow steps.
I am getting better.
That's it, slow and steady.
I'm trying. I learned a lesson. Safety first.
Family is important.
Always protect them.
I am happy. Great goal! Thanks, Mia. Let's play again.
Play carefully.
I understand.
That's my boy. Always remember to be careful.
I will, Dad. Football is fun. Yes, together.
We love you.
I love you too. I learned to be careful and never give up.
Hi everyone, moral of the story. Playing is fun, but we should always be careful. Listen to your parent and take care of yourself. Family love and support make us strong. Safety plus love plus care is equal to happiness. Thank you.